Having trouble connecting your Xiaomi phone to 4G or 5G? Or does it keep switching back to 3G? You can easily force your phone to use 4G or 5G manually. In this video, I'll guide you through each step to fix this. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you can try is to manually enable it from your settings. Open your Settings app, find and tap on Mobile Networks. Select the SIM card that you want to configure. Now tap on Preferred Network Type. Choose 5G to enable 5G. If you want to disable 5G, select 4G, 3G, or LTE. If your phone doesn't switch to 4G or 5G automatically after doing this, just close the setting. Then open your phone dialer app. Go to the dial pad. Dial **4636 #***. Now select phone information 1 or 2 depending on your SIM card slot. I have my SIM on my first slot, so I'll choose the phone information 1. In here, on the Set Preferred Network Type option, tap the downwards arrow icon next to it. This will expand into a few options. Select LTE only from here. After this is selected, close the dialer app and restart your phone. With this, 4G or 5G will be forced enabled depending on your network range. Alright everyone, that's how you can force enable 4G or 5G on your Xiaomi, Redmi or POCO phone. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy phone fix tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.